Hi everyone, Satish here from Glumos back again with another video. Just so you know, Glumos is building the LinkedIn of Web3. If that is something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel so that you are updated on our latest updates. So the topic that we are going to cover today is how to not build a failed blockchain project like CryptoZoo. The first step is to actually hire or partner with a full-time or freelance CTO or product manager. Based on CoffeeZilla's analysis of the CryptoZoo project, the project was continuously delayed and some of the game mechanics were buggy, like the hatching. In order to avoid this, you need someone with deep technical knowledge to correctly plan the features using IT frameworks like Sprints, Agile, and also Scrum. To illustrate, when the CryptoZoo team is developing the hatching mechanism, they need to break the large feature down into many user stories and also tasks. Then, the team needs to develop these user stories over the course of 2-week sprints and test them privately and thoroughly and ensure that they pass quality assurance before actually releasing them to the public. This will ensure that you successfully break down the project into smaller and more manageable features with manageable deadlines. This will also prevent you from rushing to develop the entire feature within a delusional timeline, since by breaking the features down, the team will have a better picture of by when they can complete certain features at the highest quality possible. The second step is to minimize hiring a software development agency. Based on CoffeeZilla's analysis video, he mentions that Zach Kelling, or better known as Z, had a personal dev team under him. The reason why you should minimize hiring a software development agency is that they have bureaucracy. This leads to conflicts and communication issues because you will oftentimes need to communicate with the business managers or sales rep who are not technical but wants to make profit, instead of directly communicating with the dev team who actually wants to build the project and has the technical knowledge to understand your needs and give technical advice at the same time, so that you're on the right route. The second reason is that most software development agencies want to make a profit, thus they often mark up the price and charge you every time you want to revise a feature. Based on my experience, this results in you burning your money instead of successfully developing your project, since many development projects requires countless hours of planning and revision. Put in mind, it's like you are building a building, right? It's very complicated and it requires a lot of revision. What you should do instead is to actually hire or partner with a full-time or freelance CTO or product manager, like I said earlier, and get them to hire other full-time or freelance engineers under them, so that now you have your own personal dev team instead of having the business managers or sales reps from the agencies as the middleman. The third step is to conduct rigorous screening to your tech hires. Based on CoffeeZilla's video, he said that CryptoZoo's tech members Eddie Ibanez and Zach Kelling are actually frauds. His videos also explain that Logan Paul's manager trusted the word of his business friends in order to hire these developers. This is not the right way to do it, because you cannot just trust the word of people before hiring someone, especially a developer, for a huge development and also complex project. What you should do instead is to actually get your CTO or product manager to create one or many screening projects. Then hand these projects to the applicants so that they can attempt them. Based on the results, choose 1 to 3 promising applicants and get them on a Zoom call or meet them in real life to ask them soft skills questions to see if they meet your company's culture. Then hire one of them that meets both the hard skills and also the soft skills. This will allow you to hire a competent blockchain developer that aligns with your team's values. So it's like killing 2 birds with 1 stone. The fourth step is to upskill yourself in the technical aspect of blockchain technology. Now, I know as a team lead, you are busy with other things, but it's very important that you do this. And you can do this by watching YouTube videos or taking up courses that teach the underlying working mechanisms, architecture of blockchain, workflow, and also technical aspects of the blockchain technology itself. For example, you can study about how smart contracts actually work in a technical level. This will allow you to actually have meaningful conversations with your tech team. Moreover, this will allow you to understand the technology, set realistic expectation on the blockchain features that can be built within a certain time frame, and the workmanship that is actually needed to actually launch a blockchain feature, which is harder than you might think. The fifth step is to not hire a blockchain advisor. Based on CoffeeZilla's video, he said that Crypto King just wanted early access to the tokens and even secretly bought and also dumped a lot of tokens when they were first launched, which resulted in the token price collapsing. This is because most advisors are busy running their own projects and they often give little input for your project unless you pay them a hefty amount. Moreover, most information can be accessed through Google and also YouTube. Thus, you need not need to wait for your advisor to give you an answer or pay them a hefty fee to get answers to your questions, especially on the blockchain side of things. In turn, what you should actually be doing with that time and money is to upskill yourself in blockchain technology and hire capable people who are actually on the floor building your project instead of just giving advice. The sixth step is to always use Jira and practice the Agile methodology when developing blockchain projects. Based on CoffeeZilla's video again, he showed that the team was communicating via iMessage, WhatsApp, or a simple texting application. Instead of doing this, you should communicate on Slack and hold daily stand-up calls where the entire tech team goes through the development progress that has been made and what are the next actions. Moreover, the sprint goals should also be clear during the stand-up calls so that the entire team knows the development objective for the next 2 weeks. Furthermore, your team should also hold sprint reviews and retros every 2 weeks where they transparently discuss what went wrong and what to improve on. This will result in you knowing the progress, goals, challenges, and resolutions of the tech team in an organized manner as a tech lead. As a result, you will be able to measure your team's velocity and increase your tech team's productivity by 10x. The seventh step is to laser focus on one product at a time. Based on CoffeeZilla's video, he mentions that the team was trying to launch a token, develop a game, develop a hatching mechanism, and develop their tokenomics all in one go. Instead of doing this, you should first analyze all the products that you want and prioritize them based on their level of importance. Then develop the most important product and launch it first. In CryptoZoo's case, first, they should have developed a really good game, something that is so good and gained many loyal followers. Then they could have introduced the hatching mechanism and slowly worked their way to a token launch. This is because tokens only have value when there is utility in the project. If there is no utility, people are just going to buy and sell your tokens instead of being loyal to your project. As a result, in the beginning, you will have a simple working project that you can slowly improve on instead of a complex project that is extremely buggy, like in the case of CryptoZoo. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get updated on our project's latest update, and do comment down below what topic we should cover next. Thank you.